If you are looking for the best cool mist humidifier, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular, Crane Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Choosing a humidifier for a nursery can be a tough task because you want something that is effective, easy to clean, and also functions at a very low decibel, and this one from Crane delivers. Reviewers especially like the sleek. This drop humidifier provides you with a 1-gallon, filter-free construction that is supposed to run for up to 24 hours, although several reviewers note they find the running time is much less. While most say it's quiet, a few note that it can make an unpleasant sound when the water gets too low and the auto off activates. Number 2. Honeywell HCM 350B Cool Mist Humidifier. This cool mist evaporative humidifier has 3 speed settings that vary the moisture output and sound level. Compared to similar humidifiers, it's a pretty quiet option. It can humidify a mid-size room for a full day on its lowest setting. With a large tank handle, it's easy to hold and transport. It also has a large opening that makes it easy to refill and clean. The filter is easily accessible for cleaning and replacing as needed. This humidifier uses UV light to help avoid spreading germs that can accumulate in water tanks. Number 3. AIRCARE MA1201 Humidifier. With a 3.6-gallon tank capable of a 12-gallon daily output and a coverage area of up to 3,600 square feet, the ESIC Air AIRCARE MA1201 is a powerful option for the entire house. Users love the digital humidistat, which can be set to maintain the humidity level in your home automatically. They also say the side-mounted water tank is easy to remove, fill, and clean. On the other hand, our tester pointed out that the cost of replacing filters can add up. He also felt that its design was unattractive. Number 4. LEVOIT Humidifiers. The larger 1.5-gallon tank on the LEVOIT means you can service a larger space, up to 750 square feet, or that it won't have to be refilled quite as often, up to 36 hours on the low setting. It operates with both ultrasonic warm and cool mist, so you can get the benefits of both. The handy humidity readout means you can easily know the status of the room without an additional meter. You can operate it with the panel's touch controls or the remote, adding a layer of convenience most lack. Even better. Number 5. Magictec Cool Mist Humidifier. This model delivers on all 3 of those qualities and then some. With a 2.5-liter tank and a sleek all-black design, this pick won't stand out like a sore thumb in your bedroom or living room. This pick has a dial adjustment that lets you find the perfect output for your home's needs, but even at higher settings, the motor is quiet enough that it won't disrupt your day. This humidifier will need to be refilled about once a day on the medium setting.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.